Quote, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," end quote, by Commander Neil Armstrong, 1969. He was the first man on the moon, and he will never be forgotten. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to inform you about the origin of the moon and its phases. It is the biggest and brightest object in the sky at night. I'm going to explain to you how the moon formed and its physical appearance from the beginning of time until now, and how it could be habitable to human beings. First, the moon was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. It was formed by gigantic collision between Earth and a similar body called Theia. They collided twice. The recollision and subsequent merger led to two bodies with similar chemical compositions. It is the fifth largest moon in the solar system in the absolute size. It takes an orbital period of 27 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes, 1.5 seconds to orbit. There's a near side and a dark side to the moon. The surface of the moon has many craters, and they are different sizes. Tycho's crater is one of the most prominent craters. And the craters have dark interiors, and they can collect water, they can collect ice, and studies show that over 1 billion tons of water is on the moon today. The moon has phases. The moon makes a complete orbit with Earth, and it takes about 27.3 days. New moon is one of the phases, first phases. It's when it's positioned between the Earth and sun. Waxing crescent moon means the moon's illumination is growing, and crescent means less than half of the moon is illuminated. First quarter moon is when half of the moon is illuminated and the other half is shadowed. Waxing gibbous moon means the moon's illumination is growing, and gibbous means more than half of the moon is illuminated. Full moon is when the sun illuminates the entire moon, and waning gibbous means waning, referring to the decreasing of the moon's illumination, and gibbous means more than half of the moon is illuminated. Third quarter is exactly half the moon is illuminated and the other half is shadowed. We still see the opposite side from the first quarter moon. Waning crescent. Waning refers to the shrinking of the moon's illumination. Crescent means less than half of the moon is illuminated. New moon is when the moon is positioned between the Earth and sun, so it cannot be seen from Earth. Then the moon cycle starts all over again. To conclude this, I know that someday man may be living on the moon. Our energy consumption will eventually outpace the Earth's resources. And I'm glad the scientists are preparing for life on the moon. From the study of the moon and its origin, we know there's an abundance of water which mankind cannot survive without. According to Jeff Bezos, founder of the spacecraft Blue Moon, he would be able to help build out infrastructure on the moon and lead to humanity's expansion into space. Bezos said it would be ready in time to meet Vice President Mike Pence's call to return United States astronauts to the moon within 5 years. The climates are ideal, and people are curious enough that they will want to live on the moon. Our society will be close enough to Earth so that they can return if needed. I hope you've enjoyed my subject and was able to visualize the moon and all the phases of the moon, and that someday we may be living on it.